Hi friends, this is Sohi. Today I'm going to show you how to import the employee list from Excel file to CheckTime software. First you open your software, enter your username and password, go to employee. We have this all employee, we're going to delete this employee from here. Okay, employee is deleted now. We have empty department here, no employee here. So when we want to import the employee from the Excel file, you go to import here, download sample from here. One sample format system will generate for you. I give the name, saving on the desktop, save. Okay, go out from here, minimize the software, open your file which is now generated by the system, press yes. Then you can see here we have generated one file. So employee ID is here, name, card number, all the detail you can fill here. Require information, employee ID and the name. Employee ID is numeric number only, don't use any alphabet here. Name you can put whatever you want. So from here then we go to the, we have already one data here, we copy the data from the file. So you can see here all the employee ID we have, name we have, there are all some detail we have, some we not fill. Means require this two must you have, other all is optional. So I'm going to copy this data. Go to our file, then we go here, we paste all the value here. So you can see we have file now, employee ID and the name we have all. Then we save the file, go out from here, close the old file. Then we go to CheckTime software, go to employee again, select the department where you want to import, select import from here. Last time we download sample, this time we go to import, select the file, we just generated employee list, open. You can see all the employee lists appear here. Then we click the save button or save the data in our database. Wait for a while, system will, you can see here inserted successfully, already exists 0, new save employee 40. So this is all the 40 employee is saved in our database. Once you go out from here, system will refresh the department for you, so you can see all this employee. If you want to edit any detail, just double click the employee, so you can edit the detail here. AC number must be numeric only, is the employee ID is the AC number. For your payroll system, this is the payroll software ID. If you are linking this software with any payroll software, then you can enter here the payroll ID, then click save. So your data will be updated here. If you want to export the data, all this employee list from CheckTime to the Excel sheet, you select the department, which department you want to export, then just click export. System will generate a file and ask you where you want to save the file. Then you can choose whichever folder. Give the name, save, done. Excel file created successfully, done. Then go out from here, minimize software. So this is the new file just now created by the CheckTime software. So like this you can import and export the data from software to the Excel directly. Then we go out from here, sorry, just we don't save this one. So this how you can import and export employee list from the Excel to the CheckTime software, from CheckTime software to the Excel. Thanks for watching.
Get your CheckTime biometric system today. For more info, visit our website www.check-time.com.